Hey friends, if you wish to change the default gutter margin size and position in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Okay, what is the gutter margin? One thing is the indent, which is before a line or sentence or paragraphs. And one is the gutter margin, which is for the entire text here. Okay, even if I write any text, any damn text here, okay, and I want a margin here, then I can use gutter text. Now here's what I have to do. Go to layout and click on this little page setup symbol here, and then make sure that the gutter margin is at the left. Some use at the top, but in 99% cases it's on the left. Now give it a margin like it is 0. I will change it to 8, and then I'll click on OK, and then I'll click on OK. Okay, let's change it to the other 3. You see, all of it shifted forward. Let me change it to a reasonable one. Let me change it to 1. Okay, there is a gutter margin at the left side. All this portion here became a gutter margin. It is almost 1 inch. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.